Looking to take your biking experience to a whole new level? Today, we're checking out the top 25 amazing bike accessories on Amazon, packed with futuristic gadgets, clever upgrades, and smart tools that every rider needs. From safety boosters to performance enhancers, these unique finds will transform the way you ride. Stick around, because by the end, you'll discover gear that makes every journey smoother, faster, and way more fun. Number 1. Unit 1 Smart Bike Helmet Ride. Smarter and safer with the Unit 1 Smart Bike Helmet. Integrated LED lights and turn signals keep you visible to drivers, ensuring safety on busy streets or night rides. Lightweight and adjustable, it provides comfort for long commutes and casual weekend rides. High-tech and stylish, this helmet is perfect for modern cyclists, and these helmets are very popular. Click the link in the description now to secure yours and upgrade your cycling experience today. Number 2. Rayme Spike Rear Rack Bag. Carry everything you need with the Rayme Spike Rear Rack Bag. Spacious compartments store tools, groceries, or daily essentials securely while riding. Waterproof construction protects your belongings from rain and splashes. Quick attach straps make installation effortless on most bike racks. Whether commuting or going on adventures, this bag keeps you prepared and organized. Don't wait, click the link in the description now to grab yours and ride prepared every time. Number 3. Sportneer Magnetic Bike Trainer. Turn any bike into an indoor fitness powerhouse with the Sportneer Magnetic Bike Trainer. Adjustable resistance ensures smooth, quiet rides while tracking performance for serious workouts. Foldable and portable, it's perfect for apartments or home gyms. Strengthen legs, improve endurance, or stay active during bad weather without leaving home. These trainers are very popular. Click the link in the description now to get yours and keep your cycling consistent all year long. Number 4. EQIO Hidden Bike Bell. Stay safe and stylish with the EQIO Hidden Bike Bell. Sleekly integrated into your handlebars, it alerts pedestrians and vehicles without bulky additions. Easy to install, durable, and weather-resistant, it's perfect for urban commuters or casual riders. Compact yet loud, it provides peace of mind while keeping your bike looking clean. So don't wait. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and ride confidently every day. Number 5. X-Leader Bluetooth Bike Speaker. Bring music on every ride with the X-Leader Bluetooth Bike Speaker. Waterproof, portable, and easy to mount, it delivers powerful sound even on bumpy trails. Connect wirelessly to your phone for your favorite playlists while cycling. Durable construction ensures it survives rain, sweat, and long rides. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and make every ride entertaining. Number 6. Yamamoto Bike Cup Holder. Keep drinks close and secure with the Yamamoto Bike Cup Holder. Adjustable to fit cups, bottles, or thermoses. It ensures hydration during long rides or commuting trips. Easy to attach and durable, it withstands bumps and vibrations without tipping. Perfect for cyclists, commuters, and adventure riders alike. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and stay refreshed on every ride. Number 7. Faraco Bikers Bracelet. Show off your love for cycling with the Faraco Bikers Bracelet. Sleek, durable, and adjustable, it's designed for comfort and style. Perfect for daily wear or gifting to fellow riders, it's a subtle nod to your biking passion. Lightweight and resilient, it won't interfere with workouts or rides. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and wear your cycling spirit proudly every day. Number 8. Zonky Bicycle Chain Upgrade Performance with the Zonky Bicycle Chain. Precision engineered for smooth shifting, durability, and long-lasting reliability. It's ideal for mountain, road, or hybrid bikes. Rust-resistant construction ensures performance in all weather conditions, keeping rides safe and efficient. Perfect for casual riders or serious cyclists looking for a dependable chain. Click the link in the description now to secure yours and enjoy smoother, worry-free rides. Number 9. TOKC Kai BL Motorcycle Lock. Protect your bike with the TOKC Kai BL Motorcycle Lock. Heavy-duty, cut-resistant steel ensures maximum security for motorcycles or high-end bicycles. Easy to use yet extremely strong, it keeps your ride safe wherever you park. Compact and portable, it's perfect for city commuting or travel. Don't wait, these locks are famous. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and keep your bike secure every time. Number 10. Matasam Bike Handlebar Bag. Carry essentials effortlessly with the Matasam Bike Handlebar Bag. Spacious and weatherproof, it keeps items safe from rain, dust, or bumps. Quick attached straps make installation easy, while multiple compartments organize keys, phones, or snacks. Perfect for commuters, adventure riders, or casual cyclists. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and ride with convenience and confidence every time. Number 11. Maciso Bike Rack Cooler Bag. Keep your drinks and snacks chilled during rides with the Maciso Bike Rack Cooler Bag. Its insulated interior maintains temperature, while durable, waterproof material protects contents from rain and spills. Easy to attach to most bike racks, it's perfect for long-distance trips, picnics, or daily commuting. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy fresh, cold refreshments wherever your ride takes you. Number 12. Jowbeam Bike Light Set Ride. Day or night safely with the Jowbeam Bike Light Set. Bright front and rear LED lights ensure visibility while alerting drivers and pedestrians. Easy to install, lightweight, and weather-resistant, it's perfect for commuters, mountain bikers, or casual riders. Don't compromise safety. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and make every ride brighter, safer, and more confident today. Number 13. MOHEGIA Mini Bike Pump. Never get stranded with a flat tire again thanks to the MOHEGIA Mini Bike Pump. Compact and portable, it fits in backpacks or mounts to the frame, providing fast inflation anytime. Durable construction ensures reliable performance for all types of bikes. Perfect for commuters, mountain bikers, or casual riders. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and stay prepared for every ride, every time. Number 14. Heiklin Mini Electric Bike Pump. Inflate tires effortlessly with the Heiklin Mini Electric Bike Pump. Compact, lightweight, and rechargeable, it delivers fast, precise inflation without manual effort. Perfect for road bikes, mountain bikes, and commuters. It keeps your tires in top condition and saves time during rides. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy convenient, stress-free tire inflation anywhere, anytime. Number 15. Exercise Bike Cover. Protect your exercise bike with this durable, waterproof exercise bike cover. Shield your equipment from dust, spills, and scratches while keeping it clean and ready to use. Fits most stationary bikes. Perfect for home gyms or shared spaces. Lightweight yet sturdy. It's easy to put on or remove. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and keep your bike in perfect condition for years. Number 16. Seal Fit Motorcycle Gloves. Ride comfortably and safely with Seal Fit motorcycle gloves. Breathable, durable, and padded, they protect your hands from friction, weather, and impact while enhancing grip. Ideal for cyclists, motorcyclists, or long-distance riders. Stylish and practical, they combine protection with comfort for every ride. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now to grab your pair and ride with confidence and control every time. Number 17. KEMIMOT Rear Rack Bag. Maximize storage with the KEMIMOT Rear Rack Bag. Waterproof and spacious, it holds tools, groceries, or gear securely while riding. Quick attached straps fit most rear racks effortlessly. Perfect for commuting, weekend rides, or outdoor adventures, it keeps essentials accessible and protected. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and carry everything you need safely on every ride. Number 18. Ascher USB Tail Light Set. Stay visible and safe with the Ascher USB Tail Light Set. Rechargeable, bright, and easy to mount. These lights warn drivers behind you while riding in low light conditions. Waterproof and lightweight, they're perfect for commuters or night cyclists. Don't compromise safety. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and keep your rides visible and secure every single time. Number 19. CRELT CyberRack E2 Hitch Rack. Transport bikes effortlessly with the CRELT CyberRack E2 Hitch Rack. Adjustable, sturdy, and easy to install, it holds multiple bikes securely during travel. Perfect for road trips, weekend adventures, or commuting to trails. It keeps your bike safe and accessible. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy hassle-free, secure bike transportation on every journey. Number 20. Top Crown Waterproof Bike Cover. Protect your bike from rain, dust, and UV damage with the Top Crown Waterproof Bike Cover. Lightweight, durable, and weather-resistant, it fits most bike sizes and keeps your ride in top condition. Perfect for outdoor storage or parking. It prevents wear and tear while extending your bike's life. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and safeguard your bike wherever you park. Number 21. PR Runus Ergonomic Bike Grips enhance comfort and control with PR Runus Ergonomic Bike Grips. Soft, non-slip material reduces hand fatigue while providing superior grip for long rides. Perfect for casual cyclists, mountain bikers, or commuters seeking comfort and safety. Easy to install and durable for all weather conditions. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and upgrade your riding comfort today. Number 22. P-Nitri Quick Install Phone Mount. Keep your phone accessible with the P-Nitri Quick Install Phone Mount. Securely holds devices of various sizes for navigation, tracking, or music while cycling. Easy to attach and remove, it fits most handlebars without tools. Perfect for commuters, adventurers, or fitness enthusiasts. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and keep your phone visible, safe, and ready on every ride. Number 23. Nylite RV Bumper Cargo Rack. Carry extra gear safely with the Nylite RV Bumper Cargo Rack. Heavy duty, durable, and versatile. It attaches to RV bumpers or bike trailers to transport luggage, tools, or outdoor equipment. Perfect for campers, bikers, and adventure enthusiasts. Maximize storage without compromising safety or balance. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and take all your essentials wherever you go. Number 24. Puroma Waterproof Bike Cover. Protect your bike in any weather with the Puroma Waterproof Bike Cover. Durable, lightweight, and UV resistant, it shields your ride from rain, dust, and sun damage. Fits most bikes and is perfect for outdoor parking, commuting, or storage. Extend your bike's lifespan and keep it looking new. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and safeguard your bike with confidence today. Number 25. MOHEGIA Gel Cycling Gloves. Ride longer and safer with MOHEGIA Gel Cycling Gloves. Padded and breathable, they reduce hand fatigue, absorb shocks, and provide superior grip for mountain biking, road cycling, or commuting. Comfortable and durable, they protect your hands while enhancing performance. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now to grab your pair and enjoy safer, more comfortable rides every time. That's a wrap on the top 25 amazing bike accessories. Click the links in the description now to explore each product, discover how they can upgrade your cycling, and transform every ride into a smoother, safer, and more exciting experience. Don't wait, enhance your cycling today.